Good morning, YouTube people. I just wanted to announce more patterns have been added to our members only cloud. These are patterns for our members who join our channel. We just added the birds file, and the new patterns added were the hummingbird oval, our eagle, and the cardinal pattern. Here's a new pattern from an old favorite, a hummingbird. We added to an oval. And it comes numbered, unnumbered, and a color preview, as well as the full PDF file download. Also, we have our eagle in a circle. That comes again printed version with the sizes of 16, 24, and what have you. There's many options available in this file, and as always, if you reach out, you need a special size, we are more than happy to help you out with that. Just reach out and I will make this pattern any size you would like. And finally, we have the cardinal that we made this pattern many years ago, but it's an all-time favorite, and it is included with members only cloud access. If you are not a member, please consider joining. The membership is only $2.99 a month and gives you a lot of different perks. Just to go over quickly, we have all the bookend patterns. There's some Halloween patterns. There's a whole bunch of different options as well. Very easy to do Halloween patterns. Let's see, we have our teardrop patterns. There's quite a bit in here. That's also included. And then we have our Christmas patterns. And the Christmas patterns are actually pretty intensive. You get PDF packs which include different file versions, and you have the Lantern PDF which has file versions, and the big one is the Christmas book file, which is our complete Christmas book PDF. It shows all the patterns that are in the book, and we can scroll down and look at this, but let me tell you, there's quite a bit in here. It's actually 55 patterns, so you don't want to miss out on that. And then finally, our bonus patterns. These are just basically not categorized, and in here you'll find different types of patterns. The teardrops, easy teardrops. You'll find this one is one of our most famous patterns, our Art Deco shells. It comes all different sizes in PDFs, unlimited sizes, numbered, unnumbered, what have you. And again, this pattern, I can make it to any size you like. Just reach out and ask. Again, the membership's $2.99. You really do get quite a bit. And here we're showing our lighthouse. It's same thing. It's a very nice pattern. It comes with tile printed option, basically where you can print it at home. This is showing some of the page printouts you'll get on your home printer. That's what the tile printing is all about. And this pattern is set up for tile printing, as seen here. And then again, the birds. So we will be adding more patterns. This is just a start for now. I want to see the popularity and what people are interested in. Please message me in the post. Say, I want to see more of this or what have you. And I'll do my best to send them up. And we're going to be doing a contest coming in October. Hopefully we'll get that grinder we're looking at, and this will be one of the random spins for members of our YouTube channel to win this new grinder. Stay tuned. I'll do a quick video announcing the contest. Well, it's basically just a giveaway. And just a giveaway. It's from my members. That's to show how much I appreciate everybody for being a member. And if you're not, just click the join button. Again, it's just $2.99 a month, and you really do get quite a lot back.